So today we are going to start the next part. In the previous video we have described how we can add the references from Google and different databases to the EndNote. So now what we'll do is we'll start a meta-analysis based on a topic which I am working on, the anthropometry of 0 to 5 years. So according to that, according to the guideline, which is what is PRISMA guideline. So if you follow the PRISMA guideline, that they have described and they have elaborated the steps, and there will be a flow chart. According to that, we have to design these note reference sections. Okay, like first what we'll do, we will write a initial search results. Okay, then we will from like what we'll do is we will create a group. So we will create a group like this and we will name it like Google Scholar, right? So we can do like this. Hence I have already done all those. We can follow this one. So I will delete this group. So this was or my database where Google Scholar, JKit, PubMed, Science Direct, Scopus, and Web of Science. So these are all databases I have used for my study, in which Google Scholar I get 125 articles. So they can totally will get a lot of articles. So we have to select which is appropriate for our own study. Okay. So now what we, according to the steps, we will the first step will be the initial search result. So we will categorize the databases and the findings. The next we will remove the duplicates, like we are searching into the various databases, so there will be a chance of duplicating the databases from the Google, and the same will be in some PubMed or Science Direct or Scopus. So it's very natural and obvious. So what we'll do, we'll remove the duplicates. How? Now first we'll go to the library. Like if there will be 175 like in every search engine research databases we have this articles. Okay, so what we will do, we will go to that section with that databases, and we will go to the library and find duplicates. If you click the find duplicates, like if I do that, there is no duplicate because already I have filtered it out, and here will be no duplicate found. So if you go on this, so I have added all the duplicates here in this group. Okay, because according to Prisma guidelines, how many articles you removed or how many articles you found as duplicates, that you have to mention in systematic review while doing the meta-analysis, and it will also further help in that process. So the next phase will be the retrieval. So what amount of data, like we have, for then we will transfer this to the undecided, like still we have not decided. So step by step we will decide, and we'll put the article in exclude or in include according to it, right? So look here, I have used exclude in 22 articles I have excluded based on my criteria or my choice, like criteria and choice in the sense based on my objectives, what I want to do with these studies. Okay, the next, if I will put the include, like with the study which I want to include in my study. So from this undecided, like this one, so what I'll do is, first let me I put it in the same file. So what I will do is, like this is the paper which I want, this is in undecided folder. Look, I will just, okay, this will not go, yeah, I think now, look, this is undecided, so we haven't decided. So how we have to decide now? First, then I will, this is in EndNote, so we know, like we can have this section where we have a representation of the articles we select here. So what we'll do is we will select this one, we will copy, and here in the Google Scholar we'll paste it. Now if we do that, then we can go to that research, and we will find our requisite objectives, if it the article is fulfilling, or if it is article is written in English, worked in India, and 0 to 5 age group, or have done any the undernutrition, overstate or stunting parameters will be there in both the sexes. That is our main objective to address the systematic analysis, right? So next, if we found that this article is not appropriate and not fulfilling our need, what I will do is I will just transfer this to from add reference to, which we have already created. So we will transfer this to excluded, just because we have excluded the study from our for further process of systematic review, right? So to remove the further confusion, what we will do, this will, if they stayed here in undecided, so may have some confusion regarding this article. So what we will do is, first we will remove this article from this list, as we have already included that article in the excluded one here. Okay, now this article in this so next I will show another one. I will just copy this one again, go back to the Google Scholar and search for this, and if we found that this article is fulfilling our need or and our object research questions and objectives, we will include this. So this, I think this article will I will include as an example. So what I will do is, I will go to the add right click, I will click the article, select the article, then I will click the right click, then I will go to the include section, right? So this will be my included, this study, look, this study will be in included, the same study. Okay, so what I will do, I will remove the confusion, I will delete this. Okay, so now we have the study here which I have included. Total is, so I will show you one thing. What I did is, I have written all the numbers. Look, undecided total 191. Okay, total is 191. That means total 191 article I was included in the from the after removing the duplicates. Okay, and after finishing all this undecided, what I will do is I will write down the numbers of total inclusion and total exclusion based on our first retrieval phase, that is phase 1, according to PRISMA guideline. I will show you the PRISMA model how it is. So here, if you go to the PRISMA statement, so PRISMA statement, according to PRISMA statement we will work. Okay, this is the PRISMA checklist. We will go here and we will download the checklist. If you open this, it will taking some time. Okay, anyway, so if you go, if I have to show this article, it will be helpful. Okay, yes, I got it. Yes, this is the what I was talking about. So according to, they have some to study the systematic review, PRISMA have provided some guidelines, some checklist we have to maintain while writing the article, and accordingly with the flow chart. Look, PRISMA 2020 flow diagram for new systematic reviews, which included searches of databases and register only. So for the searches of databases and register, we will follow this one, and if you open this, you will find this one, this identification, screening and included. So already we have identified from the databases, now we are screening according to this records excluded. Look, so we have what we have done this, following this particulars, we have framed our groups here in EndNote, which will follow the PRISMA guidelines. Okay, so now we are in the step of screening the phase 2. Okay, so this was all for today. I think in the next chapter I will show you how to do the forest plot or the analysis regarding the data analysis, meta analysis and systematic review. Okay, thanks a lot.
And that's it for this video. I hope you find it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment sections. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.